Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use Omegle, right, with Cyberghost VPN. So if you want to use Omegle with Cyberghost VPN, let's say maybe you experience some restrictions, country restrictions, or maybe you have any personal reasons why you want to use a VPN and you want to use Cyberghost VPN, watch this video step by step because I'm going to be guiding you exactly how to use Omegle with Cyberghost VPN, right? So make sure you pay close attention to this video. All right, so the first thing you want to do obviously is to get an account on CyberGhost VPN, which is the first step. I'll leave the link to CyberGhost VPN in the description of this video. Do well to use the link in the description because it's a discount link, which means that if you make a purchase with the link in the description of this video, it's also my referral link, you are going to get a discount on your purchase. So do well to use the link in the description to sign up, right? Do well to use the link in the description. So once you click the link, you come over to this page. It should take you to something like this, although it look a little bit different because it's my referral link, but then still the same. What you want to do is to go to where it says get it now. Super simple. Then click on where it says get it now. It's a very simple process. They'll take it to the pricing plans, right? You just select the one you want, right? Select the pricing plan that best suits your needs, and then you click on where it says continue to checkout. Super simple, right? So the link is in the description. So that's the first step, right? That's the first step of everything. So what I want to do right now is I want to go over to my CyberGhost VPN account because I already have an account on CyberGhost, so we can now use it on Omegle, right? So we can now come here and use it on Omegle to show you how it works. As you can see, it says here location. As you can see, it says here my location is Los Angeles, right, California, right? But then if I come over and change my location with the VPN, right, it's going to change my location for me. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to change my location. So guys, right now this is my CyberGhost VPN account, as you can see. So once you've signed up, yours should look something like this. You should have an account. So guys, as you can see, they have a lot of countries where you can change your location to. You can change your location to different countries all over the world, which is amazing, guys. It's pretty amazing. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to choose Romania. So what I'm going to do, I've chosen Romania. Then I'm going to click on this power button right here. So it's going to connect us and change our location to Romania. So guys, as you can see, it was an easy process. Right now we're in Bucharest, Romania. So what we're going to do right now is, alright guys, so now that I've changed my location, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come over here and then exit this one right here and then open a new tab and then change my location right here. I'll check my location. Boom, it says here Bucharest, Romania, guys. Super amazing, right? The reason they're showing this is because we changed our location with CyberGhost VPN. So I basically showed you how to use CyberGhost VPN on Omegle, right? And that's how to use Omegle with CyberGhost VPN. The link to CyberGhost VPN is actually in the description of this video. Do well to use it to sign up, a discount link. It's also my referral link, so do well to use it to sign up right in the description. With that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video.